Once again, welcome back in your favorite show, Social Issue series, guys. And you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Talk, Walk, Walk, Talk. And first of all, I would like to just tell you one quick. Don't be victim of your environment. Be architect of your environment. You deserve it, and you can be also architect and engineer of your society, engineer of your own life. So it's time to just kick off our show. So Nitesh, nowadays our youth, I mean, just our country is called one of the youth country. I mean,
Yes,
just
yes.
except China.
Yeah.
So, but as I'm concerned about youth data,
Mm.
so having completed higher education, I mean, secondary and higher education,
Mm.
why are you there in habit of chasing only government job, not trying to be self-employed?
Actually, most of the student and most of the people they chase the government job. There is only one reason because government job provide the security and they chase the security. Mm.
Yeah, you know.
So actually, they are chasing the security. In private job there is no security. For example, if you get any job in private sector, you will be kicked out for a mistake. So that's the reason all the people they want to secure their life. People don't want to deal with uncertainty.
So, you don't think so? Our education system is also responsible for it. Like in school, we were taught it. What do you want to be? IS officer, engineer, doctor, lawyer, not something else. Like self-employed, I want to be. I don't want to be just in a queue of job.
Hmm.
So how just actually in schooling time, how just government make other some different policy to just develop self-employed mindset.
Actually, the way I see the education system, our education system should be changed now because we are following the British education system. Like it was introduced by the Britishers, and we have been practicing this education system. So actually, if we want to change the mindset of student and the people, then we need a new education system. I mean, we need a practical education system or all education, based on the theory and all the, you know, all the exam and all the government exam they are all are based on the theory.
Hmm. Yeah, actually, they don't. I mean, get opportunity to learn personality development,
Mm.
communication skill. They are only, I mean, just a bookworm. They
Yeah.
only just crap to just crack the knowledge.
Mhm.
And having crack, if you ask even just now, single, even any question related like GK, GS, anything, they don't know. There is no use of that. Just, I mean, just studying their job.
Actually, all the government employee they have the bookish knowledge, but they don't know like how to do the personality improvement and all that.
And so government add just any subject related inspiration and just not that subject will, I mean, inspire the students to just having completed, I mean, your education, anyone can start.
Yeah, I mean government should provide this education. Like in education, there should be practical knowledge, and they should also teach personality development and the communication skills and many more activities so that a person become a skilled person. If a person become a skilled person, he will never change government job because he will get the good salary in private sector.
Hmm. Yeah, even he can also start his own startup.
Hmm.
Why does someone need to just go to chase the government job and just to chase the like any private job in a queue.
Actually, I mean, all the students they don't have any skills, so that's the reason they acquire the bookish knowledge as much as possible.
Yeah, just by somehow it's compulsory for them to
Hmm.
just chase the government job and just grab book his novels.
Yeah, I think government should remove the security.
Hmm.
Like there should be equal in both the sector, like government sector and private sector. Like private sector people employ, they do more hard work than the government sector.
Hmm. But Nitish, as I'm concerned about government sector, private sector, so in private sector, employee they get incentive,
Hmm.
and I mean common people we get subsidy from governments.
Hmm.
So government should just change this whole system. Like if government employee, even government employee, if you are government employee, I am private employee.
Hmm.
So I mean you will get like on Diwali gift. I mean just bonus by
Hmm.
from government. Okay, but I am private. I will not get much. Then like you. Okay, and dearness,
Hmm.
government will give me, not you. There are many just facility government employee get, but private not. You don't think so? If government substitute
Hmm.
these all things, then definitely there would be like less crazy in government sector.
Yeah, definitely. For example, if the government remove the DNS and holidays, and if they remove the category that if you do mistake, then they will transfer you. They will not remove from your post. Then definitely the craze of the government job will be decreased.
Mm. And one more thing, just I want to add up. If government like this now in government sector, the retirement is 60 above, yeah.
Yeah, 60 hour.
So actually, government should change this retired age also. Only 50 plus.
Yeah, government should change like around 50. 50 is quite better.
Yeah, in government school, you can if you visit there, you will see teacher is unable to study, but it's compulsion for him to just being at his retirement age.
But the one thing is true, like private sector decrease the burden of the government sector. If there wouldn't be any private sector, na, the demand of government job is really so high.
Yeah.
Still there is high, but somehow how most of the people started chasing the private.
Yeah. Yeah. Now just they live in like a metropolitan city. Now they are looking private job in MNCs. But if you talk about just rural area, so 90% their just job. I mean, the dream is from. I mean, since their childhood to only get government job.
Yeah.
So government should start any campaigning awareness in a hinterland.
No, actually, government don't need to just start the campaign and all that. They have to only remove the job security from government job. People will definitely change their mindset.
Mm. Yeah, job security. Like if you do and if you make any mistake, then you will be just fired from the
Yeah,
job.
fire from like in government sector they will transfer you anywhere else, but you will never fire. So what happens is that even in the education system, in government school you will see that government teacher is even abused, but there will be no action taken on government teacher. If in private private schools, if a teacher can abuse na, he can be fired after 1 hour later.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in private. So that's why actually private school consider on like just I mean skill oriented course.
Yeah.
And knowledge based, and they just also consider and give feedback. But in a government school, in one class you will get more than 70 students. They just study together.
Like, but still, I would say private charges more, but they also give the facilities more. But
Yeah.
the government sector now these days, the way I see the Arvind Kejriwal also work a good in Delhi, and the education system has been changed due to the Arvind Kejriwal.
Yeah, it's just when he was chief minister in Delhi, so he did many things. But I don't know why he lost in election. I mean, there's the lights they want much. That's why he lost the election.
Because the condition of the government schools were very poor,
I
but
worst, not poor.
it was
worst.
was when the commencement of the R party, then the education system of government is increased.
Yeah, just even parents meeting he has started it,
Hmm.
and many more things he has started in his tenure. But unfortunately, there is different government, and let's see.
Let's see what will happen.
Yeah, that government make fortune or not.
Yeah.
So, Nidesh, like if someone is, I mean, interested to do something else, okay, but most of them they are goal oriented, not like step oriented, not I mean just action oriented.
Yeah, actually they are not process oriented.
So I read, I mean, this Atomic Habit book. So I learned three things from, and I would like to just buy you to demonstrate you. There was first just line, just don't focus on the goal, focus on your lifestyle.
Yeah, yeah.
How do you perceive this words?
Actually, when we focus on the lifestyle, what is lifestyle? In the sense your habit, how you do things and all that. So suppose if you want to be a knowledgeable person, then definitely you should read book as much as possible. So if you change your lifestyle, if you change your awareness and focus and all that, then definitely you will achieve your goal. But if you focus on goal that I have to be a knowledgeable person, and if you just keep on watching TV and scrolling the reel, nothing gonna happen.
Yeah, that's great. And there was also second point: celebrate your small win.
Yeah, definitely. You should celebrate your small win. Like when we celebrate our small wins, then definitely winner effect start. Like you celebrate your small win, you try to win again. You will win again. You will celebrate, and this way you will create a dominance effect.
Mm. And yeah, actually, whenever we celebrate our small win, we get more confidence. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I did that in my past, so now I have capability.
Yeah, it gives you courage to do new thing. Uh,
and
So
we
that's
get
the
new path to just towards go there. And third was don't be a victim of your environment. You can also be architect of your environment.
yeah, I resonate with the statement. Like, you know, what happens is that most of the people, they only complain about the society, complain about the environment, complain about the parents' conditions. They shouldn't consider these things, and rather they focus on how can I change these conditions. If they focus on how can I change, then definitely he will take action. By the action, somehow how he can get over from these environments.
Yeah, that's great. And like, but why our mindset is like whatever we have, we don't. Our mind just don't like turn there. But whatever we don't have, our mind always just compel us to turn over there.
Actually, it's a human psychology. Like most of the people, they focus on negative more than positive. You can also see in a real life world, like in news. If 18 people die, they will focus on this thing more than if most people saved in this stampede.
Yeah. And next, just I want to add up one more thing. Actually, your every habit is a vote for type of person you want. For the type of person you wish to be. Your every habit is a vote. Like we cast the vote to just elect the leader.
Yeah.
Same thing. Our every habit is every action and every action and habit are a vote for type of person you wish to be.
Yeah, like for example, I wanna just explain with example. Suppose there is two person, A is obese and B is a fit person. If you take tea, then you will vote to the obese person. If you take fruit, you will vote to the fit person. So it's your choice whether you can take the tea or fruit.
Yeah. And so actually now we mentioned these all things, and there are many things in just atomic habit. Everyone should once they are like just visit, I mean, to read that book. And
Yeah, so everyone should read the book. The more they read the book, they will glean the knowledge.
so Nitesh, actually there are many viewers.
Hmm.
They are in adult, like a book price is more than 200, 250. So would you like to recommend any way they can connect to us, and how they can buy this book from us?
They can buy the second hand book, and if they want to buy the book, they can buy the low quality book. And there in Delhi, if someone living in Delhi, they can visit Mahila Hart in Delhi Gate. And if you are living outside the Delhi, you should buy the second hand book.
Just second, nice. And other book, like just would you like to recommend just we have, and we can help them to read, and we can help in their reading journey. They can buy from us.
From us, like we have several books like How to Talk to Anyone and Rich Dad Poor
Okay,
Dad.
so Nitesh, like how to talk to anyone, yeah, and you also read it, and I have also gone through it. So why everyone should read it?
Actually, most of the people suffering from communication, they have lack of confidence, lack of communication skill. So if you read How to Talk to anyone, then definitely you will get practical exercises that you can practice, and you can improve your communication skill. It's not make you a confident person, but it's also make you a charismatic person, a person who want to be chased by everyone. So I must recommend read this book, and you will get the 93 ways and exercises so that you can be a charismatic person, a confident guy, and you have the knowledge.
Yeah. Yeah, the viewers, I would like to recommend you just How to Talk to Anyone. It's one of the best book. Yeah. So if you want to buy, just you can make us call 620661 and you can also visit at nearby Adarsh Nagar metro station. Actually, we can access at Adarsh Nagar metro station, and from there you can just, I mean, we can hand over you.
Yeah. And Lava, what's your opinion about Rich Dad and Poor Dad? Like, we have read the book, but I want to review from you.
Yeah, Rich Dad Poor Dad is also one of the best book. We learn, I mean, just how to just set the mindset. It's all about mindset. Like if there are two just person, okay, one is well educated and second is not educated, but still uneducated is, I mean, wealthy, and I mean, well educated is also just is lagging behind from prosperity. So you will learn actually education is not everything. We need also just courage and mindset to just achieve and to be prosperous. And like How to Talk to Anyone and Rich Dad Poor Dad. These there are many books that we are gonna just dive into. But these all books will be lucrative for you and give you, it will give you a just adorable personality. So other book would you like to just mention?
There are many books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, How to Think, like mindset
Get
and
it,
all.
mix it on.
Yeah, get a fix it done. It's all about the management and all that. You can read many books.
Who is writer of this book? Gary Stiller?
He's a famous YouTuber. I think guess try to guess who is Ankur
Wariko.
Wariko.
Yeah, Ankur Wariko.
He's a quite famous personality in the YouTube.
Yeah. If it is, if someone just visit on any just on an application like Flipkart, Amazon, so cost of book maybe like 200 to 50 hard copy.
More than 250 rupees.
More than 250. Yeah. If someone buy from us, then
Definitely they will get like 150.
yeah, only 150. Yeah.
150.
So you can save. I mean, just 100, either 150.
More than 100 you say.
More than 100 you can save.
Because we have the hand cover book.
Yeah, hard
Hard
cover.
cover.
We have hard cover. So you can also call us for these all deals 62061738 and but we can just go up to at others in the metro station.
Yeah.
You have to just take from there. And psychology of money. Would you like to just demonstrate about this book?
Actually, psychology of money is encompasses around like your relation with money is not good. When you just change your mindset, then definitely you will attract the money. Actually, to earn the money is not very hard. We just assume that it's very hard. But when you read this book, you will get to know that to earn the money is very easy. But you have to change your mindset. It's all about your mindset, and it's hard work and all that. So in this book, you will dive deep into the psychology of money.
Yeah, if you want to deep down if you want to deep down in yourself, you must buy these all books, and you don't need to go Mahila Hut and somewhere
Yeah.
else. You have to only just pick up your call and just make us pick up your phone and just make us call, and we will hand over these all books at Adarsh Nagar Metro
And
Station.
bro, like why we providing in very affordable price these books?
Actually, we buy from a publisher, just who publish the book from factory where it is, I mean, just written, and it is at only wholesaler prices. So our purpose is only to just educate our viewers and help them by help book. They can help themselves to uplift by reading these all books.
And we sold many books, Atomic Habit,
Yeah.
and we got the good reviews.
Yeah, even this we bought more than 500 books. Yeah, Atomic Habits. But right now we have left only 5.
Yeah, we have only 5 because people want to change their life. People want to change their habit. It's very difficult to change the habit. But once you read this book, then definitely you can change any habit. And the second thing, you can make new habit very easily.
Yeah, actually in Atomic Habit, identity. I mean, your habit decide your identity. Your identity decide your habit.
Yeah.
So actually, in this circle, you will understand like how my habit decide my identity and how my identity decide my habit. Okay, today just if we are looking lethargic, then you can decide our habit.
One of the best selling book.
Yeah. If we are looking lethargic, you can decide our habit. Like just yesterday we just slept late and woke up late. That's why we are not energetic. But our identity is so no, just we are in a good habit.
I think why should people read book?
Yeah, actually that's a matter of concern. Why people should read book? Actually, whenever we read book, so we just get challenges. I mean, it's a mental exercise. As we go to park and do just like physical exercise. So it's a way to just get your mind in a challenge and just exercise your mind. And second, we learn new words. Okay. And third, we learn. I mean, to how to just give your own opinion and your stand on any topic. And I mean, by reading a book, we develop a critical mind.
Yeah, I mean there are many benefits of reading the book. As per the love statement, you should read book, and everyone should read book. If you are not reading the book, it means you are wasting your time in somewhere else, like scrolling the reels and watching the TV and YouTube and all that, and it will never help you in the future. But when you read the book, then definitely in future it will help you a lot, and also you will develop a mindset, good mindset.
Yeah, actually, it would be better. It would be better than scrolling reel. Yeah.
Yeah.
And actually, it's compulsion for us. We don't sell our book on any just social media platform. Question is why we are not selling? Actually, we don't have much stock. I mean, just place to just stock the book. That's why.
Actually, on the demand we actually sell the books, and offline we sell the books. So online we don't have that much access, but offline we sold out many books.
Yeah. So being your friend, being your elder brother, we want to help you, and just make us call, and you'll get a book, and one book can change your life.
Yeah.
So
Even love in offline we have sold with a high price, but online you guys are watching our video, so we are going to give you a very affordable price. Like 250 book will be 150 rupees. Can you imagine, like you will save more than 100?
that's great, and more than 50% discount there we are providing. And if it is someone wants to buy diary, a spiral notebook,
Hmm.
so just how can they buy from us? They don't need to just, even it is I have experienced it when I was in school, in college. So whenever I go outside to just buy any book, so really price was just out of blue.
Hmm.
If they buy from us, so how much discount will provide them?
We will provide around 50% discount.
That's great. 50% discount.
50% discount you guys will get, like the price of diary is only
Yeah, just 100 rupees.
100 rupees. Like literally you will get in 100 rupees a diary.
Yeah, just A4 size diary. Just you'll get only 150 and around 180. Yeah, and but we can make you assure 100% you can't buy diary at the cost of 180 and 200 in market. Yeah.
And the most important thing, you will not get the diary of ordinary cover. You will get the diary of a professional. Would you like to say?
Oh yeah. Diary, it will add beauty in your just personality. Yeah, you can carry anywhere. It will look like you are professional person.
Yeah, it cover is full leather.
Yeah, so adorable
Mm.
and conspicuous cover you all get.
And you don't have to worry about, like your edges will be tear up. No, there is no chance of your edges will tear off of your diary, because it comes with a golden iron step something.
Yeah.
Mm.
And but there is only just one issue, like just I get comment like bhaiya, and just I'm unable to just figure out your address, and I'm unable to figure out like any just way to buy book from you. So
Yeah. Mm.
so very soon we are gonna, just make link on just like YouTube,
YouTube
and as
channel.
well Facebook and Instagram,
Hmm.
all social media platform you can access to just connect us to buy.
And we are gonna show the quality of book live. We can, through the video we're gonna show the quality of book, and we're gonna show you like the pages and all that, like everything is totally fine.
Uh, Actually, our intention is to just support you and help you to just buy self-help book.
Yeah, love, actually we don't need to sell online, but we want to make you wise person, a witty person. So that's why we want to help you, rather than wasting your time on social media scrolling the reels, all that. So I want you to read the book, glean the knowledge. So that's why we are offering you in a 50% discount. Otherwise we are selling in offline and we are making the benefit and
Oh,
profit.
yeah, just we have opportunity to do just
Hmm.
we can sell it out even offline. We can sell
Every
out.
day we sell out the book.
Yeah, at cost of 200, but just being a you are my just YouTuber family, so we wanna sell you out at cost of 50% and more than
50%, more than
discount.
50% we will give you. Don't worry, bro.
Very soon, just you all get post and link on Instagram and also the Twitter and everywhere.
Yeah,
Just-
and the most important, you don't have to go anywhere else, like any place to buy all that. You just have to order and make the call. We will just provide you in a very affordable price, as well as with a good condition. And we will also recommend you many books that will also enhance your communication skill, your mindset, make you confident and all that. So you must buy and just glean the knowledge.
And one more thing, just Nitish, I wanna add up. Like if you want to buy any book, except those we mentioned in the video, yeah, you can comment and just for sure you all get from us. So Nitish, would you like to just demonstrate, like except Adarsh metro station, wherever we can just deliver?
Like we can also deliver at Sanjay Nagar,
Sanjay Nagar. And
Adarsh
it would be
Nagar.
possible to just at Jahangirpuri metro station and
Yeah.
just Azadpur.
Yeah, at Ajadpur, Jahangirpuri metro station, we can provide around this vicinity.
Within 5 kilometers.
Yeah, within 5 kilometers you will get it without delivery charges.
Without delivery charges. So you can think like this now, how much effort you want to. I would just we are gonna just give for you all
Yeah, bro, literally, like free delivery
free
charges.
delivery charges, and even no, you don't have to waste your time and money. Yeah,
Even if you just get the book from Flipkart, Amazon, you have to pay 40 rupees delivery charge.
yeah, 40 rupees. And GTV Nagar, if you are, just if you come, use typically in GTV Nagar, so we can just also deliver there. But you have to order up to 500 rupees. for
Yeah.
GTV Nagar and
For
just
GTV Nagar and even for Model Town also.
Moral. Actually, we can deliver only three just metro station. Adarsh Nagar, Jangirpuri, and as well as
Ajatpur.
Azadpur. So we can access there. And one more thing, Nitish, I would like to just ask from Nitish. Nitish, why just you right now they are in habit of playing video game and playing just like having a smoking and wine. Why not in reading book?
Actually, these things give you instant pleasure. Instant pleasure will definitely ruin the life.
Mm.
But if you get the real pleasure, what is real pleasure? Real pleasure is to gain the knowledge and make your life beautiful and make your living standard very good. So this book, take books take long time to give you success, but this video game and insta and all that give you an instant pleasure. So people chase the instant pleasure. But I'm asking, like, why there is need to take the pleasure? I mean, fake pleasure. You can become a successful person, and you can live the life that will give you pleasure, and that will also help you to live with the pride.
Mm. And one more question I would like to just ask you. Like if someone just feel hesitates and twitchy and just not much confident to just express himself. They always suppress themselves. So how book can help them to be a confident person?
Actually, a book will help you to figure it out why you are not confident, and how you can be a confident guy. So you will get the why and how, and also exercises, so that you can be a confident guy. So book will give you all these things: first, reason and how to get over from it, and also you can share your knowledge to other, and you will also help to other, like your friend, relatives, and in society also. So you are also changing your life, and you are also helping and giving service to other people to change their life.
Hmm. Yeah, Nitesh, I want to add up. Like our youths, they have fossilized with bad habits,
Mhm.
and even if you look up it just our surrounding, you all get only those friends circle. They only just uh, impose you to just have smoking
Mm.
and just scroll reel and just play video game.
Mm.
Hardly you will find those friends will recommend you just book to read book and to just change your life and keep away yourself from this reel.
And I'll tell you the secret. If someone recommend to watch the reel and do the cigarette and all that, they are not your friend. If they are your friend, then definitely they will recommend you to read the book and all that, to gain the knowledge and become a wise person.
Mm. And now it's just there are many person they just I got comment
Mm.
in a comment box like whenever I just go visit I'm outside to open an interview, so while they speaking my mind gets freeze. So how book will help them to just speak and express and they will have more words.
Actually, how to talk to anyone, give you 91 ways to be confident guy. So definitely book will help you. And practical exercise you will get, you will practice in your home, you can practice outside your home. So definitely you will used to it, and it will access you to be a confident guy. So definitely interview will be a cup of tea.
Yeah, interview will be like easy as a walk in the park. Yeah. And one more I want to just ask you,
Yeah.
just come to the like background. I mean, atomic habit. Now, if I give you a challenge to just get a job, okay? Now, you get a challenge from your family and somewhere else. So how your small habit will help you to be a good employee and to get a job easily.
For example, your time shift from morning to evening or night, we can say that. So you need to change your habit to sleeping in the daytime and work in the night time. So atomic habit will give you a broad concept, like how you can change easily, without giving pain to your body. So this will also help you. And if you used to taking the tea and all that make you lethargic, you can switch to fruits and all that. This will help you how to make it happen. So this book will help you to change your entire mindset and habit. You will change your habit, you will bring the new habit, and the new habit will make you succeed in life.
Mm. Yeah. And if someone is interested to just learn English, so to learn English to master language, how a book will help them? Those all book we just mentioned in the video.
In all book you will get the vocabularies, and you will get the mindset, like how we can form the sentences. By reading book you will get to know, like how we communicate, like how can we say a broader concept in a very small. Through the book you will learn. So definitely it will help to enhance your communication skill as well as also English.
Yeah, I want to add up one more. I just there are many book. This book if you read and then many words will be like a strong twister for you.
Mhm.
You don't need to just give effort to recall.
Yeah, definitely. Like you are reading in your mind whole content in English, so it's very easy to execute in the real world.
Hmm. And if you just, I mean, if you want to learn just words, I mean vocabulary, so it will be so tough. No, actually, just you are just like recalling words,
Hmm.
A double P, just A double P appear. But if you read book, you can highlight those all words if
Yeah,
you don't know,
definitely.
and you can easily just keep in your mind for a long time.
And it will also help you to get away from the scrolling the real habit and all that. So it's a good thing to read the book.
Hmm. And can book change behavior of anyone?
Yeah, definitely. That's why the author write the book Atomic Habit. I mean, definitely it will change your habit, and you can bring a good habit, and it will help you to make a good person.
And Nitesh, what do you wanna say about those people? They often make lame excuse, I don't have time. My life is too busy, too hectic. So how can they read book and just to change their life?
If you have the time to scroll the reel, if you have the time to watch any web series, if you have the time to watch even our video, then don't you think that you have the time to read the book?
Yeah,
Definitely they have the time to read.
it's a matter of concern.
Yeah.
Actually, we are not saying to you all read 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour. You should read only 5 hours, 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes, 10 minutes you can read. Okay, and only 5 minutes and 10 minutes is is what for your type
Success.
of which you want to become.
Yeah, yeah.
It's good for your future,
Mhm.
and everyone should just develop those habits. It will just give you better future in the upcoming time.
Mhm.
And one more thing, this I want to ask you: uh, how just like a book help us to be creative and innovative?
Like when we read any book, then we get the mindset of a author, like how author thinks differently. By this knowledge you will create your knowledge. You will create your own knowledge. It's like we can also think in this way, we can also think in this way. Why author think in that way? So you start using your critical thinking. So by critical thinking you will become creative, innovative. So book will help in that way.
Yeah. If you are in adult, what
Hmm.
should you do? And confused, mixed up. So book will give you more perception
Hmm.
to just search and look it up to which one you should choose and in which side you should go.
Yeah, it's like if you read 10 book, then you will have the 10 perception, and you can select one perception out of 10 perception. It means what is perception? Perception is the whole nazariya of seeing a world of a author.
Yeah,
Like you will get the view of 10 author.
even author to write a book, it's not piece of cake.
I mean, they take very long time, years, 2 years, 3 years. Some author also take 5 years to read a book. I mean, write a book.
They give their 5 year, 10 year, 20-year experience in the summary of that book. If you read, so you don't need to just go through that experience. You'll
You
get
can
that
save your
experience.
time,
Yeah, you can save your time and as well as money.
money, time, energy. You can
Yeah,
save
that's
many things.
And one more thing, just I wanna ask you, can book? Just one. There are two person. One person, and that person is always perceive himself like a fixed mindset.
Hmm.
So can book help to anyone to be a grow mindset person?
Yeah, definitely.
How it would be?
Like only those people have fixed mindset who haven't read any book and who haven't getting knowledge and any type of knowledge. If he start taking knowledge, he will get to know that Alexander the Great conquered the world. I mean, conquered the India world. So he will get to know about the great personality who conquer in real life. So by this they will change their mindset. Like if they can do, then why I can't? So definitely book will help in that way.
Yeah, if you also want to conquer your good habits, you should just buy Atomic Habits from us and get sit epic on it. There are many books we wanna just recommend to you all. And upcoming time, just as we mentioned, very soon you'll get post and link on this other social media application. From there you can also access, but in Delhi only. And for just association we as we mentioned, and we just like except book. What kind of content viewers and learners should consume to just speak English as American?
First, actually, our entire content in English, so you can watch our video so that you familiar with English. And the second thing is like you should read the book. So you can buy the books. And the third, I would say, like, try to speak as much as possible. But the point is that how would you speak? First, you have to listen. So you can also search a video like us. Like we all content related to English.
Yeah, actually, you don't need to spend your time just by searching other content on YouTube. You will get everything on this YouTube channel, like English videos, okay, and you can buy book and so it is. Would you like to get journal writing? Yeah.
Yeah, general writing is one of the best.
How would it be just better for them? Would you like to demonstrate it?
First, if you do general in English, then definitely it will help you to discover yourself. Like, journaling in the sense, like, whatever you did in the day, you are writing on the paper. It means you are understanding your own behavior. So by the behavior, you will discover yourself.
You are making out, yeah.
Mm.
And how does like general lighting give someone clarity in their life?
Definitely it will create clarity. How? Like, if I did any mistake, then definitely I am aware of that mistake, and I will not do that mistakes again. So it will give me clarity. Like, I have to focus on those mistakes, and I have to I don't have to make those mistakes. So it will bring the clarity. Like, I have to go in the same direction.
Hmm. And by reading how someone can master grammar skill.
When we read now, we will get to know, like, oh my god, I mean, from very long time I have been making this mistake. Like, the sentence could be like this, but I was using like this way.
You can just get rid from your fossilized mistake.
Mm.
And yeah, there are many things, so we don't have time to just mention in this video. So just tomorrow we will also just bring some different and fascinating topic and
Yeah,
we'll talk
sure,
over
sure.
there.
So definitely we're gonna talk about it.
And whatever we mention in video, so just you can buy as if you want to just if you wish to change your life, if you wish to grow in your life, yeah, if you wish to be prosperous.
Yeah, if you want to change your destiny, you should change with the books.
And you don't need to just go here and there and spend your time to just buy a book. You
Yeah.
need to only just visit. Just call us. If you can also mention your number and they can just buy.
Yeah, actually, your number is sufficient.
Yeah, and just Adarsh Nagar and just Hamir Puri and as well as Achadpur.
Ajapur model town is eating in there.
So please don't miss this great offer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually 50% and more than 50% offer is only for short time, not for.
It's only for short time.
Yeah. So please don't squander this opportunity. You will get. Okay, thank you for just watching this video and keep on having a smile.